Hello everybody, thank you for joining us today. Samsung is going to change a lot in S11, or we can say Samsung may not launch the Galaxy S11 after all. A reliable tipster Ivan Blas has reason to believe that the firm is considering merging the Galaxy S11 and Note 11 to create one S Pen toting mother flagship, which could be known as the Galaxy 1. Both Galaxy S and Galaxy Note ranges offer a near identical experience. There's just one difference between them, the latter has an S Pen. Samsung could soon launch the Galaxy 1 and Galaxy 1 Plus, the latter of which will be equipped with an S Pen, effectively replacing the Galaxy Note lineup. And how do you feel about this merger? Would you like this sort of merge, or that is the worst thing that could happen with Samsung? Comment down below. Other than the merging and change in name, there are a lot of other changes as well. Like recently, a new leak from Ice Universe saying Samsung Galaxy S11 could be the company's first buttonless smartphone. This means no volume rockers and power key. Instead, the handset may rely on the mixture of movement and pressure to determine what would usually be a hardware input. A long firm press on the right hand side of the frame could wake up the device, or while sliding down the left might adjust the volume. While a keyless design would reduce moving parts, which increases durability and water resistance, the fact is phones without any buttons have been a disaster. Pressure sensitive keys have no tactility, which makes them hard to use instinctively, and the pressure mechanisms. While good for something like 3D touch, the keyless actions are rubbish for actions which require quick multiple presses like volume control. On display department, Samsung will most probably feature a waterfall display like Vivo Nex 3, and that follows closely with the keyless design of this smartphone. So it's safe to assume we will be seeing that really cool futuristic display. And if you are having questions regarding unintentional touches, then don't worry, they have it figured out. Another noticeable upgrade will be in cameras. Finally, Samsung will upgrade from the pitiful 3-year-old sensor that Samsung has been using for quite some time. In addition to replacing those sensors with either 48 megapixel or 64 megapixel sensor, Samsung is going to grab one of the best features from iPhone 11 Pro, and that is Deep Fusion. So what is Deep Fusion? It is a technique where it focuses on machine learning and imaging to help you take better pictures. What happens is that even before the shutter is pressed, the iPhone shoots 9 images, 4 long exposures and 4 short exposures, and uses the neural engine and machine learning to combine these with the images taken when the shutter is pressed to stitch together pixel by pixel. A new image with plenty of details and very little noise is the output. Alright, and that's it for today guys. If you like the video, then do comment and like and subscribe. And comment below your thoughts on S11 and what feature did you like the most. See you in the next one. Peace out.